Hello guys, today I'm going to solve the 2 by 2 Rubik's Cube and teach you how to do it. So let's get started. First we will give the cube a good scramble. So now the cube is scrambled, so let's get start solving it. First we need to put all the white corner pieces. So one white corner piece is here, so let's make this place a base of the white corner pieces. So first we will use the R prime U prime algorithm to solve this. This is how R prime U prime. We will do it 3 times because the white was on top. R prime U prime R prime U prime. Now we will again put this piece in the place where it has to go, like here. So we will do R prime U prime again. So like this, R prime U prime, then again R prime U prime, then a third time R prime U prime. So now we will do the beginner method of 3 by 3. Last step, we will flip the cube upside down and solve all the yellow corner pieces. So first, like here, we will solve this by doing the R prime U prime algorithm. So like this is R prime U prime, then again R prime U prime, then another time R prime U prime, then a fourth time R prime U prime. Now we will flip to the next piece which has to be solved, like in this case this piece. So we will put it in the place where it has to be solved to be solved. So we will do it again, R prime U prime R prime U prime. So now let's flip the cube back up. So now see if a bar has formed. So if a bar has formed, put it to the left like this, match it with the side and then put it to the left like this. R prime U prime R prime F R2 U prime R prime U prime R prime F prime, and then you will have your cube solved. So the second case is, if you get no bar, just hold from any face and use the algorithm R prime U prime R prime F R2 U prime R prime U prime R prime U prime, and then you will get a bar. Place the bar in the same face, like here the red face is complete, and then put the face in the left side and use the algorithm R prime U prime R prime F R2 U prime R prime U prime R prime F prime.